Yes, these are the instrument control room where the distribution of the TVRO system start from. As you can see, the U18 rack. You can see the DVRs from service provider multi-choice. You can see some other component that is attached. We are trying to do reinstallation of their TVRO system to be integrated into multi-choice Nigeria system from the original service providers that the unit come from. Is equipment that are attached, the LAN junction box where the PABS systems are installed. This is the seatel, the ACU system, DSC 2200 2202 model. We're going up now to conduct some tests. We're going to carry out some tests. We're going to run GPX test. We're going to run a GPS test. We're going to run lat test, long test. Carry out some tests. We're going to run a test of the LMB. This unit, it comes with the original LMB that comes with this system is 4-way LMB, and that is what the systems come with. But unfortunately, they remove it and integrate it to 2 LMB to suit the service provider that they were using from their former site. We're going to put effort together to see if the 2-way can be able to deploy to the Dstv Nigeria system. Thank you. My name is Engineer Austin. Once again, Pet Technology Group, Port Harcourt. I'm giving you updates, live stream of all jobs that we're going to be carried out today till get the job to the end. The job may take me just by His grace of God. We'll be rounding up before the end of today, if what I'm looking at worked out perfectly.